In a historic hotel in Colorado, there's one room guests are never allowed to book. Room 217. Staff say it's under renovation. It has been under renovation for over 40 years. In the early 1900s, a maintenance worker was caught in a gas explosion inside that room. He survived, barely, and spent his final years wandering the hotel halls, warning guests about a storm that hadn't happened yet. Years later, guests staying in nearby rooms report the same thing. Lights flickering at exactly 3 a.m., a cold draft under a door that has no vents, and the faint smell of gas with no source. Hotel staff have their own rule: never go into 217 alone. One former night manager quit after claiming she heard someone unpacking a suitcase inside an empty, locked room. To this day, the hotel keeps the room closed for renovation. No renovation has ever been recorded. Would you ask for the room next door or stay far away?